Greetings, everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to show you a very quick tip about Act Premium Cloud. So I want you to observe right here that we've got some fields covered up by this blue bar right here. I can drag this blue bar up and down to make it resize, but what I can also do is you'll notice up top of the screen, there's a lot of space up here. If I press the F11 key on my keyboard, Frank 11, that takes away the top part of the screen. In other words, the menus. I'm going to click on this blue bar, drag it down a little bit, and all I've done with that simple trick, F11, Frank 11, is I've increased or given Act full screen mode. Now, if you think about some of the people that you work with as they age, younger people, older people, vision impaired people, this is a great advantage because if we can give them a bigger screen with more space, that's a good thing. So the F11 key is a simple trick to make the Act screen bigger. Okay, my friends, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you. Bye now.